Your stomach feels heavy after every meal. You're exhausted despite sleeping 8 hours. That uncomfortable bloating refuses to go away no matter what you eat. Here's something most people don't know. The problem isn't just what you're eating, it's what's happening inside your digestive system right now. Your body might be signaling that waste is moving too slowly through your gut, and this affects everything from your energy levels to your mood. Tonight, I'm showing you a simple drink you can make in 2 minutes using ingredients from your kitchen. This helps your body activate its natural cleaning process while you sleep. This isn't about miracle detoxes or expensive supplements. This is about understanding what peer-reviewed research and medical institutions say actually works. Stay with me because what happens in your gut when digestion slows down will surprise you.
First, let me clear up a common myth. You've probably seen online claims about people carrying 5, 10, even 20 pounds of toxic waste stuck in their colons. According to research from McGill University Office for Science and Society and statements from multiple gastroenterologists, this is simply not true. Medical professionals who've performed thousands of colonoscopies, surgeries, and examinations have never found pounds of impacted fecal matter in healthy people. Here's what actually happens in your body. Research shows the average adult produces between 4 to 18 ounces of stool daily. Under normal conditions, your colon holds about 1 to 2 pounds of waste at any given time. This is completely healthy and normal. Your digestive system is designed to process and eliminate waste efficiently. But here's where real problems begin. When waste moves too slowly through your digestive tract, your colon continues absorbing water from it. This makes the stool progressively harder, drier, and more difficult to pass. This isn't just uncomfortable, it creates a cascade of issues that affect your entire body. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, when your digestive transit time slows down, your gut bacteria balance shifts dramatically. The harmful bacteria that feed on rotting waste multiply rapidly. Meanwhile, the beneficial bacteria that support healthy digestion decrease. This bacterial imbalance directly causes the bloating, excessive gas, and that heavy, uncomfortable feeling in your stomach that won't go away. The Canadian Digestive Health Foundation explains something most people don't realize. As we age, especially after 40, our bodies naturally produce less stomach acid. This matters because stomach acid is essential for breaking down proteins and activating digestive enzymes. When you don't have enough stomach acid, food particles don't break down properly. These partially digested particles move into your intestines where they sit and ferment, creating even more gas, bloating, and discomfort. And here's the critical connection most people miss. When your digestion becomes sluggish, it doesn't just affect your stomach. Research shows this impacts your energy levels, the clarity of your skin, your emotional state, and even the strength of your immune system. Scientific studies confirm that approximately 70% of your entire immune system is actually located in your gut. When your digestive health suffers, your whole body suffers. Now let me show you what can support your digestive health. This drink targets 3 critical functions your digestive system needs. First, proper hydration. According to Mayo Clinic, dehydration is a primary cause of constipation. When your body lacks water, your colon absorbs more from waste material, making stool drier and harder to eliminate. Second, natural acids that support stomach function. Research in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows consuming acidic foods before meals improves digestion, especially important as natural stomach acid production decreases with age. Third, compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria. These organisms produce digestive enzymes, synthesize essential nutrients, and help move waste through your intestines. Here's how to make this drink with 4 simple ingredients. Start with 8 to 10 ounces of warm water. Warm temperature helps stimulate digestive motility and intestinal muscle contractions. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. Fresh lemons contain citric acid, vitamin C, and beneficial plant compounds. Research shows citric acid stimulates digestive enzyme production. Use fresh juice, not bottled. Processing destroys beneficial compounds. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. The label must say "with the mother." Strands of beneficial bacteria and enzymes from fermentation. These contain probiotics and acetic acid. Studies in the Journal of Functional Foods show vinegar before meals helps your body process starches and carbohydrates. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Raw honey contains prebiotic compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Use raw, unfiltered honey from farmers markets or health stores. Processed honey loses these compounds through heating and filtering. Mix thoroughly and drink slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Consume 30 minutes before bed for best results.
Let me explain the science behind why these ingredients work together. When you drink this before bed, your body enters natural repair mode. With no new food coming in, your digestive system dedicates energy to processing existing waste. This is when intestinal muscles work most efficiently. The warm water hydrates your digestive tract. When waste absorbs this water, it becomes softer and bulkier, easier to pass. Think of adding water to dried clay. It becomes movable. This hydration helps muscular contractions work effectively. The lemon juice provides citric acid and vitamin C. Nutrition research shows acidic foods create optimal pH for digestive enzymes. Your stomach needs an acidic environment to break down proteins. Vitamin C also supports your immune system. The apple cider vinegar supplies acetic acid. While clinical research continues developing, nutrition specialists report patients with low stomach acid experience relief from bloating and digestive heaviness with diluted vinegar. The acetic acid helps restore the acidic environment needed for protein breakdown. The mother contains beneficial bacteria supporting your gut microbiome. The raw honey delivers prebiotic oligosaccharides that feed beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that heal your intestinal lining, manufacture B vitamins and vitamin K, and create enzymes breaking down complex carbohydrates. When you consistently feed these bacteria, they multiply and strengthen, improving digestive function. Realistic expectations. Some notice easier bowel movements next morning. Others need 3 to 5 nights for meaningful changes. This variation is normal. Everyone's digestive system differs. This supports natural processes, not forcing quick fixes. It works with your body gently. This drink works best combined with other digestive health habits. First, increase daily fiber intake. Mayo Clinic guidelines. Women over 50 need 21 grams daily. Under 50 need 25 grams. Men over 50 require 30 grams. Under 50 need 38 grams. Most Americans consume only 15 grams daily. Fiber adds bulk and sweeps through intestines. Best sources: leafy greens, fresh fruits, beans, lentils, whole grains. Increase gradually over weeks to avoid gas and bloating. Second, drink adequate water throughout the day, at least 8 8-ounce glasses daily, more based on activity and climate. Johns Hopkins research confirms fiber requires proper hydration. Without sufficient water, fiber worsens constipation. Third, incorporate regular movement. Even 15-minute walks after meals make significant differences. Physical activity stimulates digestive tract muscles to contract and push waste through. Fourth, manage stress levels. Your digestive system connects to your nervous system. Chronic stress slows digestive processes. Fifth, avoid eating near bedtime. Allow 3 hours between last meal and sleep. This drink is safe for most people. However, consult your doctor if you have acid reflux, ulcers, or take diabetes or heart medications. Apple cider vinegar can interact with certain drugs. If pregnant or breastfeeding, check with your provider first. Always dilute vinegar. Never drink it straight. It damages tooth enamel. Rinse your mouth after drinking. Stop immediately and see a doctor if you experience pain, severe cramping, or blood in stool. Go to your kitchen tonight. Get your ingredients. Mix them. Drink it slowly. Tomorrow morning, notice how your digestion feels. These small changes add up. If this helped you, hit like and share with someone struggling with digestive issues. Type yes in the comments if you're trying this tonight. Subscribe for more science-backed health information. I post new videos weekly. Your digestive health affects your energy, immune system, and mood. Take one small step tonight. Thank you for watching.